and these simulate real-world cybersecurity scenarios that are critical for success in the workplace. Additionally, each of these certificate programs includes portfolio activities that help demonstrate the cybersecurity skills that you can showcase to your potential employers. Through a mix of videos, assessments, and hands-on labs, you will become familiar with the cybersecurity tools, platforms, and entry-level job skills that the top employers are looking for. These skills include Linux, Python, security information and event management tools, network security, cloud computing security, penetration testing, computer security incident management, and lastly, threat mitigation. The Google Cybersecurity Certificate also helps you prepare for the CompTIA Security Plus exam, which is an industry-leading certification for cybersecurity roles, and you'll get to earn a dual credential when you complete both. Now, to be eligible for the certificate program, you don't need any prerequisites or prior experience in the cybersecurity space. And the best part, you can start from level 0 and still pursue the program. Now, to sign up for this certificate program, you need to first click the link in the description, and that will take you to a page on the Coursera website. Now, click on the enroll button. Here, you can see that the program allows you to complete the certificate in 1, 3, or 6 months. The fee depends on the time period you choose to finish the certificate. Now, the certificate also gives you an option to split your program fee into easy monthly installments, which is great if you're looking for affordability. In the end, I just want to point out why you should consider the Google Cybersecurity Certificate. The first reason is that you learn from the experts at Google and will eventually earn a career credential from Google itself. This tells us that the program is created by one of the biggest and most trusted brands across the world. And it also helps you prepare for the CompTIA Security Plus certificate with a discount on the exam when you graduate. Throughout the course, you'll have ample of hands-on projects to showcase your job readiness to potential employers. And in this way, you can fully prepare for the job role in less than 6 months at a fraction of cost of a bootcamp. Once you complete the certificate program, you can apply to various cybersecurity roles like cybersecurity analyst, information security analyst, cyber defense analyst, and much more. So that was the video. Check out the link in the description to enroll in the Google Cybersecurity Certificate program. If you have any questions about the program, let me know below in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Share this video with your friends. If you are still watching, write in the comment section, I watched till the very end. I'll see you all in the next video. Do check out the link in the description. I'll see you again. Bye-bye.